Unlock the power to build incredible presentations in minutes, not hours, with this Tome.ai tutorial. First things first, head over to Tome.app. Once you're there, you'll see a clean interface to get started. Simply click the Create button. Now, let's leverage the AI in this prompt box. You're going to describe exactly what you want your presentation to be about. For example, let's type in the future of remote work collaboration and productivity tools. Tome.ai will instantly start crafting your narrative, generating text and suggesting stunning visuals for each slide. It's like having a personal presentation designer at your fingertips. As you can see, Tome has already produced a great starting point with a clear structure and engaging visuals, but we're not done yet. Let's refine it. You can easily edit any of the generated text. Simply click on any text box and start typing to personalize your message or add more detail. To further enhance your presentation, you can also easily swap out images. Click on an image, and Tome will offer alternative suggestions based on the slide's content, or you can upload your own. Tome also offers a variety of pre-designed layouts and themes. Explore these options to give your presentation a consistent and professional look and feel that perfectly matches your brand or message. And there you have it, an incredible, visually stunning presentation built instantly with Tome.ai. Start transforming your ideas into compelling narratives today.